So you want to buy an investment property. There's a lot of ways to start building up your investment portfolio. One of the ways that I suggest is that you can either buy a 4-unit property to start, or a 3-unit property, or a 2-unit property using the FHA program, because that's a 3.5% down. You do need to live in the home for a year, but then after a year, you can move out and now you have a 4-unit property that you're renting. So you need to live in one of the units for a year, but let's say you buy your 4-unit property, live there for a year, and then you move out. Now you can go ahead and buy a 2-unit property. You can only have one FHA loan at a time though, but for the 2-unit property, we need 15% down. So I'm trying to walk you through the lowest down payment options. So let's say you can do your 15% down now, buy your 2-unit property, live there a year, then you move out. Now you have a 2-unit property and you're renting that. So now you have 2 properties. Your investment portfolio is being filled. And let's say you want to go buy a single family home, just a small starter home for yourself. Fine, go ahead and do that. We can do that 5% down. It's our conventional mortgage. Let's say you want to live there a year because you bought a small home and now you're ready to maybe buy your home to live in. You're going to get married, or, you want to have kids. You can rent out your single family home. Now you can go buy another single family home that's bigger because you want to have a family. 5% down again is all that's needed. You do have to make sure you're claiming your rent though on your tax return. So when you go to buy these other homes, that you claim enough income to qualify. So if you have any questions on how you can qualify for an investment or how to build your portfolio, please feel free to reach out to me and I can walk you through all of this and answer any questions that you have.